as the Igbos travel to celebrate Christmas. Now they come call some people who say abeg mona come see you for Lagos State where they call Compűter village. He said that they don't carry their bulldozer every enter, say they go carry that place down. Ndigbo, what is going on? My people, let's go and find out how this thing take dey happen. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We still dey here, they bring you back to back update as it dey hot. Oh, if you not say you never follow this page, may you quickly do so, because update no dey finish for our table. We dey here, they bring them back and front and back. My people, the one where they share for now, and I be say for inside the Compűter village. The information where they reach our office right now, and I be say that place, they get plan to carry them down as our people go to celebrate Christmas. This is happening in Lagos. My people, you people have to think another way out of this thing where they happen, because my people, let's watch this video and we will come back and continue as it is hot.
Now, this is what I call a heartbreaking news. Not a breaking news, but a heartbreaking news. Now, Compűter village is about to be demolished. And you know the population of people that are going to suffer there. And the most population that will suffer there are Ndigbo. So, Ndigbo, I think it's high time we begin to locate our bearing. Because at least the seaports in the east are now being dredged. So pretty soon the ports will be open. I think it's high time we begin to locate our bearing, because this issue is becoming unbearable. And as for the Yorubas in Lagos that are doing business, well, I'm sorry. I know you are thinking that Tinubu is our locum, but sorry, it is Tinubu locum. It is not for you. Tinubu is not for you and will never be for you. It's after his interest in Lagos. Yes. So it is high time you begin to understand the situation that we have put ourselves with the wrong choices that we have made. But for our people, it is high time you just start going home and begin to build your home, because it will get worse than this. Now listen to this breaking news.
We have breaking news from Kelly Giga, who is in the Keja area of Lagos, Compűter village. Kelly, what can you tell us about what's going on there right now?
Alright, so we're just somewhere around the Compűter, the very popular Compűter village, and what we can tell you right now is that tenants of these shops here, there's so much desperation on their faces, and perhaps we can just pan and let's show you what we are talking about here, because these tenants who have shops here have been left perhaps in a dilemma or confusion. They have gotten reports about the need for an urgent renovation work, and their shops, we understand, are going to be demolished any moment from now. And that's why you can see the faces of those who have shops here, who have been here for many years. They've been asking questions as to why exactly now, and yet some of these questions have not been answered. We've only just arrived here a couple of minutes ago, and that's why the details are really very, very sketchy. But what we can tell you is that this is not the first time this has happened. They have received such a notification of demolition in 2019, and fast forward now to 2023, they have again received another notification of a demolition exercise to happen here any moment from now. When we got on ground a few minutes ago, we also discovered that some of them are already moving their items in their shops just to prepare for the worst, perhaps. But let's bring in the chairman of these shops, who would perhaps give us some more perspective and clarity. Mr. Chairman, just very briefly, talk to us exactly why are your people standing here? What have you been told?
Anyway, it's unfortunate that we are facing this kind of a thing from some developer, that they bend on bringing this place down since 2019. Láti wà lẹ́nu ẹ̀, because 2019 Ari letter pon fẹ́ develop on fún wa ní.
All right, so you have to speak in English because of our viewers, international viewers. But quickly, who said they want to come and demolish this place?
Okay, then we had invitation from developer through power. Okay. Through Power College. Then when they brought the invitation, then we tried to talk to them, but they bend on bringing it, and then we go to press, then we talk to them. Later, then we reach out to IGY. Then IGY denied that he doesn't know anything about the issue.
All right.
Then.
All right.
Then.
All right. Yes, so, I mean, because we are absolutely pressed for time, we have to leave it here. We are absolutely on ground, and what we can assure our viewers around the world is that we're going to stay here and bring you up to speed with developments as they happen right here at the Compűter village.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, no be smart, you don't see how these people they demolish and how they want carry our people business down as they go home to see their loved one to celebrate Christmas. This one they happen for Compűter village, the place where they call Compűter village for inside Lagos. For a long time, where we say we don't tell our people, may they come back, may they come back, may they come back. But this time around, na different advice we will come give them. Because where you go person house, if that person no open door for you, you no go enter. And if you enter, the person give you property, say this one na your own, give me money and collect am. And later, the government come wake up, say they want collect those places. There should be a compensation to those people because enough is enough. This thing wey dey do our people, let us call a spell, because if we will continue telling them, come back, oh, they will destroy this. They will keep on doing it all over Nigeria, and Igbos will lose a lot of things. A high time that people in Lagos will stand up and call a spell. Enough is enough. The government of Lagos should stop this nonsense they are doing to Ndigbo. Anybody who are advising our people to come back to stop it, let them stand on their ground and fight the battle for once, because we cannot run in this country. Enough is enough. In our own land, you pursue us. In another man's land, you pursue us. What is this? The people that own those properties, they have bought it with their hard-earned money. They didn't steal it. They didn't claim it from any Yoruba man. So, with a high time, we'll call a spell. I am not going to be telling our people again to run or to come back. Let them stand up and fight for their right. The place they are doing that business was sold at or is under rent. So if you want to destroy their property, you should pay them for that. Yeah, my people, that's where we stand for this particular matter with the shele now. People will travel, will go celebrate with their people. They come back, come see their business. They don't render them useless. That kind of thing no good and no good happen. People in Lagos should stand up and fight for their right. My people, share this video and leave your own opinion for inside comment section.